Yo, guys, Hongani and Stephanie have finally released a statement announcing their divorce. Yo, I'm so sad though. Yo. Our couple, our power couple, God. So the statement reads as follows. We'd like to take a moment to address the speculation surrounding our relationship. After much thought, reflection, and conversations, we have mutually decided to part ways and end our marriage. While we had hoped to share this news at a time that felt right for us, the unfortunate early release by the media has prompted us to speak sooner than we had planned. Though our marriage is ending, our friendship is not. We are committed to showing up as a united team for our beautiful daughter, raising her with the same care, intention, and joy she has always known. We are incredibly grateful for the love and support you have shown us, especially through the Ndlovus Uncut. During this deeply personal time, we kindly ask for privacy, grace, and compassion for our family. With love and gratitude, Hongani and Stephanie. Yo, guys, kanti kwenzakalani? Why imishado iphela left, right, and center? Ama-power couple ethu ngathi iwona nje adivosa kakhulu. Yabona nje labantu ocabanga ukuthi ngeke badivorce, ngathi ba-happy, ngathi yonke into ihamba kahle nje, umshado u-right, yonke into i-grand. Ekugcineni ngathi yibo nje abadivosayo. Kanti why kunje? Why kunje? Because thina manje sesizosaba nokushada manje. Angazi nokuthi kodwa sesiyasaba nokushada because asazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani in future. Cabanga manje. I think they were married for like 6 years, if I'm not mistaken. Umshado we-6 years waphela kanjalo nje. Waphela kanjalo nje. Hayi no. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you can stay updated when we upload more news.